Hey guys, it's Jen, and today I am getting ready for a date night. Joey just called and he's like, do you want to go out tonight? I'm like, yeah. So I figured I would vlog it so you guys can help me get ready. I already have on my Found Sealer in the Fair Light Neutral shade right now. I also did my brows with our Busy Gal Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Black Brown. And I'm also contoured with our Tarte Pro Glow To Go Highlight and Contour Palette. I love this. It's my favorite contour shade. Look at this thing. I use this every single day. But I do need to do my hair and I do need to create an eye look, so why don't we just dive in and start there. I figured maybe I should do hair first because my hair's a little messy and it's pretty dirty. So I'm going to Batiste the heck out of it so that I can kind of feel a little bit more fresh and clean, even though we know it's not. Brody's in the other room watching Cars, so he gets very excited during that movie, so you might hear him in the background. Okay, so I'm gonna spritz the top. Woo! Really get in there because it's needs some texture. And just feel fresher. Okay, now I'm going to take my handy dandy scrunchie. I'm gonna come in so you guys can really see. Hold on one sec. Let me set you up on a better scenario. Hold on. There we go. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section of my hair just like kind of like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. I kind of like when my hair's a little bit messier in a way. And I'm going to take my scrunchie right here and I'm just going to kind of gather it and I'm going to do like a messy bun. I'm going to kind of wrap it around but not all the way, leave some pieces on that side and then kind of close it so it's got like this piece. Pull that and then kind of just move it around till you like where it is. I like when pieces stick out. I like when it looks kind of like messy. It's like cute messy in a way. I know that's not like a real thing, but it is in my world. That piece got out of control. Okay, so I like how that looks. I feel like that's nice. Thank goodness my hair is still holding a decent curl, but if it wasn't, you can take a barrel curling iron. I like to use an 1.5 inch one, and I'll take like a piece about this big and I'll hold the curling iron open and I will wrap it just like that, hold it for like 3 to 5 seconds and then let go, and it gives you this nice wave. So that's how I achieved that. I'm gonna add a little handkerchief to my hair. I usually wear this one around my neck, but I never wear it in my hair and I kind of want to try it. So I'm gonna section off this piece to the front, that to the back, that to the front, and that to the back. Then I'm gonna go from behind, lift that hair up, okay. And then I'm going to bring this right here, and I'm just gonna kind of do a cute little like bow. Something like that, yeah. Alright, I like how this looks. I think it looks super cute. The hair looks kind of like messy, but not like I tried too hard. I also got my little scrunchie popping in there, and I like to use like the mustard colored ones because it like kind of not blends in with my hair, but like just adds like a little touch. I think it looks cute, and I feel like this looks really nice. Okay, easy peasy. Now we're gonna move right onto eyes. I'm gonna be using some shades from our original Tartelette palette. I love this palette, love. So I think I'm gonna do kind of like a soft plum smoky eye. So we're gonna take, alright, so we're gonna take this shade right here, Force of Nature, and we're gonna apply this all into our crease. Then we're gonna take this really gorgeous soft plum called Best Friend, and I'm gonna pack that on the outer corner of my eye to create like a nice smoked out effect. And then we're gonna go in with Natural Beauty to the inner corner of the lid. And I think that's enough. I don't wanna go too heavy. Again, Joey doesn't want me to be super dressed up, so I feel like this is a good one. Okay, so let's get started. Now I'm gonna take our Sugar Rush Sparkler Stick in the shade Rose Gold, and I'm just gonna pop a little bit right on the inner corners of my lids. Now I'm going to top my lashes off with a couple coats of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. Alright, now for a lip, I'm going to be using our Sugar Rush Sugar Coat in the shade Cake Pop. I love this shade, it's so pretty and it's got this creamy matte finish. I'll come in closer so you can see too. Alright, now I'm going to just accessorize with some of my favorite pieces from Uncommon James. I love their jewelry. It's Kristen Cavallari's brand. They just make really pretty, like, simple pieces that are just elegant, and like this choker right here. I'm gonna pop this one. And then I'm also going to pair it with this other necklace. I like to layer necklaces. It's like got multiple like tassels on it, like little gold tassels. And then I'm going to pop an earring in. I love these earrings that they also make. They're so pretty. So I'm going to pop this one in. That looks pretty, right? Okay, I'm going to do the other side and then we're done. And that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for getting ready with me. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about anything I just used, or how I do anything, or if there's any other videos you want to see me do, let me know. Alright guys, thank you so much. Mwah! Take care.